What's your good name, madam?
Jayanti Pawar.
Okay, what's your age?
63, sir.
From which place you are?
Basungudi,
Bangalore.
Bangalore. Yeah.
You tell me what are all the problems you had before taking our miracle drinks new Ayurveda protocols.
Okay.
And
I had-
after taking 1 month, how it has been changed.
Okay.
So the whole world is going to be, seen in your, entire testimony.
Okay. I had BP, sugar, a thyroid, and I have heart problem. I was on insulin for 25 units twice.
Mm.
Now, unimaginable, and I just can't explain.
Mm.
Within a month, I have stopped almost all the medicines,
Great.
and my insulin has come down to 3 units now.
From
25 to 3.
so that means you are religiously followed
Yes.
that
doctor.
guidelines.
Yes, doctor.
Food is the medicine.
Food is the medicine. ಪ್ರೀತಿಸಿ ತಿನ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
Correct.
ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ಫುಲ್ ಟು ಯು ಸರ್.
Wonderful. Really great. That means, the entire body has got changed.
Yes, doctor.
See, that's what always I am saying, that body inbuilt system is having such a, characteristic features. We are not understanding that body.
Correct.
We are not at all, having a faith on our body, basically. So if you have the faith, 100% we can. So wonderful. Food, you tell me how actually, you have
Religiously, I am following as your instruction, doctor.
regarding this raw vegetable juice you are consuming.
Yes, yes,
And flax diet
yes, yes.
and prebiotics, garlic, ginger and all.
Everything, doctor. And banana juice.
Stem juice.
Yeah. Religiously, I am following.
Okay.
And I got fantastic.
Actually,
results.
after starting my treatment protocol, on which day you got the changes in your body?
Maybe on 3rd day, doctor.
That's what I
Third.
wanted to hear.
Yes.
Yes.
3rd day.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you.
Very much.
Thank you so much, doctor.
Thank you.